Good morning and welcome to Tech Talk Tuesday. If you are joining us, let me know if you are watching in live or you're catching the recording. I'm excited to connect with you guys and let me know what are your top tech struggles, and I'll make sure to cover that on one of my Tech Talk Tuesday episodes. So, one thing I know a lot of people have told me about is, and it's honestly something I use all the time, and I didn't realize people didn't know how to use it. So, do you have the same link you're sending over and over? Maybe you have a message that you send over and over again, right? Like if it's a welcome message to your Facebook group, or it's sending a link to book an appointment with you, right? Any of those things can get really annoying to have to send out, to go look for the link, or to have to go copy and paste it. Not sure where exactly that link is. Maybe it's, it can be anything, right? I know the big thing I do is links to my Calendly, because I send those out all the time. And I know, like, I have multiple Calendly appointment types. So I know if I type in a certain shortcut, it'll send out a certain link. So would you like to know a way that you can send that out without having to copy and paste and just using a quick little shortcut code? Would that be pretty awesome? All right, so that's what we're going to cover today. So you can do this on your phone or on your computer. So the sky's the limit, especially since I have a Mac and everything is interoperable. It's pretty convenient. So what I will show you today is going to be a quick view on the desktop version. And then if there's time, I will show you the mobile version. So for starters, I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see what I'm doing. Do I have an option to just show system preferences? So I'm going to open up the system preferences. And for those of you on a Mac, that is your settings gear wheel. On a PC, this should be in your settings. So now I'm going to open up in here my keyboard settings. Right? And then I'm going to double click on that to open it. Now, once I'm in the keyboard settings, there's all sorts of stuff you can do here. But what we want to do is we want to go into text. So you can see I have a ton of things in here, right? So what's really cool is whenever I type out this word, it will replace it with this entire link. So on our essential oil webinars, we have prizes. And so to win a prize, I ask them to fill out a form. It's really annoying to have to write out, congrats on winning a webinar prize. Please fill out this form here so we can send you your prize. Instead, I just type out webinar prize with no spaces and it types that out for me. Pretty cool, right? So let's just do an example. So one of my favorite ones, I definitely hands down use the most, is my Zoom link. So that I have is if I shortcut code Zoom Room, it types it out. So let me show you making one. So hit the plus sign. And now we're going to say TCCFB. So that's going to be Totally Colleen Facebook link. So then we can type it out here. Sorry, did not turn that down. HTTPS semicolon, and that's only because I know what this is, or you can just copy and paste. .facebook.com. That's not how you spell Facebook. Now, it's also something I already made, but you can see when I type out TCFB, it will automatically replace that text. So this is really great if you do all sorts of stuff like, I've done the Emerge training, so I have the Emerge usually script in here. I have typing out Coach Colleen will send out my business coaching link. Oh, absolutely. So the sky's the limit. If you have like your prospect group or a customer group, you can literally just save those as shortcut codes.
On the keyboard?
So now I'm going to switch it over to showing you how this is done on the cell phone.
So that's on your
Second,
keyboard?
and we're gonna get that going. All right. So, don't want to see text messages. So you'll open up your phone and look at that puppy. Look at that puppy face. And we're gonna go into settings. All right. So from here, we're gonna go into general. And then we're gonna go into keyboard. And then we're gonna go into text replacement. Now, again, this is per device. Even though I have a Mac, it doesn't sync over, which would be really nice because then I'd have all sorts of fabulous goodness. But you can change anything. Like you can see it defaults, it comes with OMW is on my way. You can have OTP on the phone. You can literally do anything. Like I have some leads, right? So I have the same message I would send to people. So I have a series lead 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or I can have a welcome message to people who are joining my Facebook group. So that is a really easy way to, let me change this. That's a really easy way to save some time on using technology and getting the same messages sent on out. So I hope you guys found that helpful. That was my tech tip for the week. So I will be doing my tech masterclass at 2:30 p.m. today. So make sure you check that out. It's going to be awesome. And if you guys have any questions, head on over to my Facebook group, Making Tech Simple for online entrepreneurs. Because if you weren't one before, you are one now. Thanks to pandemics. So let me know if you guys have any questions and comment and let me know what you want me to talk about next week and I will solve your tech needs. All right. That's it for today. I'm Totally Colleen, Making Tech Simple for online entrepreneurs. Take care.